good. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this beginner-friendly eye look without using an eyeshadow palette. Yes, you heard it right. So for this look, you will be needing a lipstick of your choice, any concealer, and a blending brush which should be like this. Also, this is going to be a really easy everyday eye makeup look that's perfect for both day and night. And this is something that I wear on a daily basis as it is really easy to achieve. These are the three main things for this eye look: a fluffier blending brush, a concealer and a lipstick. And I would recommend you to use a pinkish brown or a nudish brown lipstick because that looks good on an everyday basis. Like for daily eye makeup look, I would recommend these two colors only. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Now I'm going to prime my eye area using this primer. After priming, I'm going to moisturize my eye area using this moisturizer. For concealing, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, but you can even use your foundation as a concealer. And I'm using this beauty blender, but you can do it with your fingers also because that is more effective. And this process is important because this ensures that the shadow lasts all day long and appears as pigmented as possible. Now that you're done with concealer, I recommend taking any loose powder and setting your concealer with it in order to create a smooth looking base. So I'm using this lipstick by Color Bar in the shade Bare. It's a peachish brown color, so without making it too messy, I'm just going to put this directly on my lids. So I'm just dotting a small amount onto my lid, and now I'll start blending it out with this brush. Never hold your brush too close to the bristles because that will make your eye makeup patchy. In fact, you should hold it from the tip of the handle to have a lot less control because that gives you a smoother and softer blend. Now if you want a soft wash of color, you can stop here, otherwise you can add more colors on top. Okay, going in a wiper motion like in a car wiper motion, and blend and blend and blend. Once I am happy with how it looks, then I move on to the shape. So for that, I take a soft tissue or a Q-tip to give that extended line. Just do whatever is easier for you. And yeah, this is the final look. I wanted to make this video really short and simple, concentrating on the topic. And please let me know in the comment section below if you actually loved this video. And as usual, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye guys.